is up, you beautiful people? It is your boy Calum here, and it is time to eat. So guys, the time is 23 past 10 in the morning. Already been to work, already been to the shop. I have a bag full of goodies, and we are going for a pastry breakfast today. I am absolutely starving. I haven't eaten a thing today. So what we have is some pan chocolates, a whole thing. I think there's 8 croissants here. I have these bad boys which I had before, the maple and pecan danishes, because they were amazing. I have these amazing sounding things. They are lemon and white chocolate buns. They look incredible. I have your classic Belgian bun, and to top it off, I have the Krispy Kreme small little donut bites. I've never tried these, so I thought, why not give them a go. So that is one hefty breakfast right here. There is a good, at least, I want to say 3,000 to 4,000 calories here. And I'm going to start with these bad boys. White chocolate is my favourite chocolate, and these just sound amazing. Each bun has 394 calories. So let's give these a whirl. I'm hoping they're good. Woo! Very lemony. So it's kind of like a Belgian bun, but with white chocolate and lemon on top. Number 2. So, last bite of these white chocolate and lemon buns. They are super lemony. I don't see where the white chocolate was. There was literally 0 white chocolate. I think they were just sprinkled on top. They are super dry and not very moist, but they're okay. But for 394 calories, I would expect more. Next, we have the croissants. And yes, I know you're supposed to warm them up and toast them. I don't care. I'm going straight in dry and cold. Each one has 169 calories, nothing crazy. Everyone knows what a croissant is, right? I don't know, is that right? Croissant, however the hell you say it. Just a pastry, right, filled with, I think, butter. This is so good. Number 4, I think I'm going to chill out after this, have the pan chocolates, have the danishes, and then the Krispy Kremes. I'm not feeling the Belgian buns right now. I don't know why I picked them up. I'm not even a big fan of Belgian buns. But these bad boys, I could eat all day. Croissants are amazing. They're just so light and fluffy. So now these definitely should be warmed up to let the chocolate melt. But yet again, I can't be bothered. I have a time restraint right now. I need to take Amy to the doctor's in about 10-15 minutes. So I'm just trying to eat as much as I can in that time. So each pan of chocolate has 236 calories. I must be on, I want to say, about 1,400 calories right now, just with them 4 croissants and then 2 white chocolate buns. So if I eat all of these, I'll be on over 2,000 calories. Here's the inside. That's 2 of the pan chocolates done. I'm going to leave the rest till later. So that's about 1,800 calories. Now for the maple and pecan danishes, I'm going to have one, Amy's going to have one because sharing is caring. I have to warm up now. Amy has spoken, she will not let me not warm them up. I'll be back in a second. Okay, the Danish is done. I kind of overcooked it. It is super hot, but let's give this bad boy a taste test, even though I already know it's amazing. I just want to try it warm. Oh dear Lord. It's glorious. Even better warmed up. I'm not sure how many calories this has exactly, but I know it's over 300. So that'll take me over 2,000 calories. And then I still have these bad boys. I'm not even gonna lie, that was incredible. I now get why people say to warm everything up. That was so good, but I need to go take Amy to the doctor's now. So I'm gonna take these bad boys with me in the car and give them a taste test. I'm hoping they taste good. People have been saying good things about these. I've never tried them. So, to the Pugmobile. Okay guys, I'm in the Pugmobile outside Amy's doctor's. It's time to give these bad boys a try. They smell pretty damn good. Here they are. They're just glazed donut bites. Pretty good. You get 8 in a box. They're a lot better than the ring donuts. Last one. So I completely forgot to tell you the time. So time is 11:25. I'm still hungry. I've had enough sweet stuff to last me a lifetime. So once Amy is out of the doctor's, it is time to go buy some savoury food. Okay guys, back home now. I have 2 savoury items right here. I love a good old Pringle. Pringles are super calorific as well. I have nacho cheese flavour and good old salt and vinegar. Although there is a height difference here. I don't know how many calories in each one. This one has about 700 calories. And this one has over 1,000 calories in. That is insane. So that will take me to at least 4,000 calories there. I think I'm on about 2,400-ish right now. I have 2 pizzas in the oven right now. I'm just going to chill out and watch the final episode of The Bodyguard on BBC. If you've never seen it, you need to watch it. It is amazing. So, final episode is on. Pringles are open. Let's do this.
Wait on other people to be what you've been called to be. You can't wait on their affirmation.
You cannot beat the classic salt and vinegar. They are just so good.
You can't wait on their approval. You can't wait on their support.
However, I am going to try the nacho cheese. I've never tried these ones. I think they're new. Here they are. They smell pretty good.
Sometimes you just gotta run and look behind you and say, everybody who wants to run, run. But
I'm not gonna lie, they are pretty good. They are definitely cheesy. I'm gonna finish these ones and then go back to the salt and vinegar.
you can't stop running because you're not running with me. Listen to me, hear me. You can't stop chasing your dream just because somebody in your life won't chase it with you. You can't stop believing in yourself just because somebody in your life won't believe in you. You can't stop chasing the dreams of your life just because when you know when you do it, you're gonna have to do it all by yourself.
So, Pringles are halfway done, and pizza number 1 is ready. It is a chicken pizza. I love this one. It is so good. It looks pretty healthy. Thin based. It is a Dr. Octa Polo pizza. It is just one of the best pizzas ever. I think it's like spinach, sweet corn, some weird cheese, and chicken on this pizza. It's so good. I think there's like 600, 700 calories here. I love pizza. I have another one in the oven, but let's dive in. I just remembered, I completely forgot to tell you the time. The time is 2 minutes to 1. So I started eating the Pringles about 20 to 1, so I haven't been eating that long. I was stuck in traffic for hours. Cambridge is like gridlocked today. Cambridge is one of the worst cities in the UK for traffic, but today it was just like ultra slow. It was just traffic everywhere. That is pizza number 1 done. Time for pizza number 2. Pizza number 2. Pizza is done. The time is now 20 to 2. I'm pretty full. Probably not going to eat the Pringles for now. Have a little rest, watch the rest of Bodyguard. Then it's time for more food. So I've been chilling out for a little bit. I was kind of full after the pizzas. The time is now 20 past 3. I need to finish the Pringles and then hopefully eat some more pastries. And then I need to go to work, train, and hopefully get some amazing food to make this cheat day actually epic. Because right now, it's been mediocre. It's been a bit of a mediocre cheat day, but a bit of a lazy cheat day, to be honest. I'm waiting for a big one next week. This week I wasn't going to do one, and then I was like, fuck it. Woke up and just decided today I was going to do one. So I haven't planned this one. This isn't my best cheat day, but I want to get some epic food tonight and just top it off perfectly. But anyways, I'm rambling now. I need to finish these Pringles. Let's do it. Look at the cheesiness. The cheesiness of these. I'm definitely a fan of these. Nacho ones are done. Time for salt and vinegar ones. Time to finish the salt and vinegar ones. There's not that many left really. I haven't done Pringles in years. I forgot how Moorish they are. Like once you pop, you cannot stop. If I was going to choose one flavour of crisp to live off for the rest of my life, salt and vinegar would be it. It is just amazing. You can never go wrong with salt and vinegar crisps. Last one. That is the Pringles done. I'm still hungry. I have the pastries in the cupboard waiting for me. I'm thinking it's time for the Belgian buns. And here they are. Good old-fashioned Belgian buns. Each one has nearly 400 calories. So if I eat these, that's 800 calories. They're kind of melted. It's actually pretty hot today. Can't even get out of the flipping packet. Ugh. Here it is. This one is a bit of a mess. Let's give it a taste test. It is super dry. second one. This one looks slightly better. That is the buns done. My memory is about to run out. It's 4:15. I have work in an hour. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, back home now. The time is now just gone 9:30 at night. I am starving. I've just ordered some food and it looks absolutely delicious. Let me show you exactly what I have. So guys, here is what I got. It looks absolutely delicious. I've got sweet potato fries. I have this jalapeno, cheese, bacon. I don't even know what's in this burger, but it looks amazing. There's a lot of fries. I have actually been picking out the fries, waiting for my camera to charge. I also have this amazing creation right here. It is a peanut M&M milkshake. It is absolutely amazing. Oh my god, so good. I have no idea the amount of calories, but I'm guessing there's at least 1,200 calories here. That's a massive burger. There's a shitload of fries, and that milkshake is just pure goodness. So there must be a lot of calories in that. Sweet potato fries are so bloody good. Time to eat the burger. This thing is huge. It looks delicious. It's actually stone cold right now because it's been that long. Woo! Fairly spicy. Absolute mess right here. My camera's on the verge of dying. It really does not charge very well. My camera died, but the burger is gone, guys. I left some lettuce because it sucks. Also, the shake is gone. It was absolutely delicious, but I cannot end the video here. It is currently 10 o'clock at night. I have got to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, but I cannot go to sleep without having a dessert. So that means I need to go to the shops. Sorry, guys. Ugh. As I was saying, it's dessert time. Okay guys, I'm just chilling in bed. I'm hoping the lighting's okay. The time is now just gone 11:15. I'm pretty full, not gonna lie, but just been to the shops. I have this bad boy. Yes, it is lower calorie Ben & Jerry's, but I tried it the other day and this flavour is amazing. It has like bits of shortbread in. You cannot beat shortbread. It's just so good, so I thought why not have it again. I don't care about the calories. There's about 600 calories here, so nothing crazy. But I do also have a big boy bag of minstrels. There's 1,000 calories here. I have no idea on the actual total calories I'm on. I'm just going to eat these, chill out, relax in bed, and then go to sleepy poos. Because I am fuck-a-ducked. I'm exhausted. I don't know why. I think I'm slightly ill. That's probably why this cheat day hasn't been that amazing. I've been a bit under the weather. Amy's dying. It's just been a very chilled out day. Next week I'm hoping for an epic epic cheat day. But anyways, let's enjoy the ice cream before it melts. It's definitely melted slightly. If you haven't tried this already and you live in England, Asda, £2.50, this shit is amazing. Lower calories. And to be honest, I think this is one of the best flavours you can get in England. This makes the vegan Ben & Jerry's I had last week taste disgusting. Like, this is amazing. I actually had an argument with someone today or yesterday about the vegan Ben & Jerry's, because they were one of the people that recommended it to me, and I was like, it absolutely sucks. It tastes like shit. All I could taste was almonds. They were like, it's so good. No, it's not. This shit is next level. I could eat this all day. Ben & Jerry's got this 100% right. This is so good. Ice cream is done.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, time for the minstrels now. It's actually been quite a long time. It's nearly 11:30. I'm not gonna lie, I'm still super full. I just need to eat these and be done with it. I don't even know why I'm bothering to eat them, but I brought them. It's an extra 1,000 calories and they are delicious. So, let's do it. Last two. Minstrels are done, guys. I am so freaking full right now. I need to go sleep. Oh my god, I am in a food coma. So I will see you tomorrow. Okay guys, now the next day. Not gonna lie, it wasn't my best cheat day in the world, but the next cheat day is gonna be freaking lit. Just look at this. I'm about to get so fat. Just look at this. It's a box full of freaking donuts. The donut plug coming in with the goods. All of this was free. Free. There's 34 donuts there. 11,000-ish calories there. Absolutely insane. All absolutely free. Shout out to Ryan for that. I cannot wait to eat all them freaking donuts. So the next cheat day, which I'm going to film in a couple of days, is going to be amazing. I don't know whether just to eat donuts the whole day or to try and eat them donuts as fast as I can in an hour and have a cheat day for the rest of the day. But I'm just super hyped. 34 donuts for free. Apparently there's £55 worth of donuts there. That is crazy. But anyways, less of that. I apologise that this video was me just like sitting around, not really doing that much. Not the craziest food either, but I just really wasn't feeling great. But I had to make a video and I had to have a cheat day. So this is what I could come up with. It actually wasn't bad on the old calories though. The calories will appear on the screen. Yeah. I had over 9,700 calories. That is freaking crazy. I also had over 1,100 grams of carbs with over 450 grams of sugar. I also had over 470 grams of fat and quite a lot of protein as well, over 200 grams. So not a bad day there. Over 1,000 grams of carbs, a lot of sugar, a lot of fat as always, and quite a lot of protein. So considering I felt pretty ill and it was kind of a lazy cheat day, I nearly hit 10k. That is not bad going. That burger I had was amazing. Of course, the pizzas, I just love them pizzas. Dr. Octa pizzas are just incredible. the polo ones, oh my god. And of course, all the pastries I had for breakfast, absolutely incredible. But the highlight for me was the Ben & Jerry's, the low calorie Ben & Jerry's. If you haven't tried it, you need to try it. That caramel cookie is just freaking incredible. Shortbread cookies inside the ice cream. Like, it's better than normal Ben & Jerry's, and it only has 600 calories. I'm literally so hyped. I'm going to buy it every single day. £2.50 from Asda. It's just so good. I can't believe that only has 600 calories. Anyways guys, I'm going to end the video here. I'm sorry it was a kind of lazy video, but I still had a shitload of food. I had a good time. I hope you guys did too. If you did, do not forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.